Now what if I tell you that you get a Bose sound in just rupees 9,999 and with band discount you get it for 7,999? Well, yes, that's what Moto has got you in its first TWS wearable. So how good are these? We also have a very fun Moto buds which are lesser in cost and comes around at rupees 4,099, and with the band discount you get it for 3,999. Let's find out. This is the Moto Buds Plus and this is the Moto Buds. But before that, yes, do subscribe to Gadgets 9 channel on YouTube and Facebook and Insta. Subscribe करिए, giveaway भी शुरू कर देंगे हम. Well, talking about the design of the Moto Buds Plus first, the design is not so premium as you can see, and it's nothing new. It's usual squarish and plastic, but having said that, they're very sturdy and the sand finish makes it non-slippery as well. And it's called the beach sand color, which is better than the black ones. And let's take a look at the Moto Buds also. These are the Moto Buds. These come in real fun colors. This one is white with a black logo on it that looks different. Talking about the Moto Buds Plus, these have a LED light indicator along with a Type-C charging. Its case is IPX4 rated and buds are IP54 rated. They're good and comfortable to wear. So what all it has? Well, take a look at the spec sheet first. We told you about the spec sheet. Now let's move on to the performance of these. Well, these indeed are amazing and very impressive. Everything you hear is crystal clear. Bass is very punchy and fairly balanced audio. You can also adjust the audio as per your love for your beats in the app equalizer. Yes, the Dolby Atmos makes the audio loud and very fun. I did hear a lot of pop and hard metal and the sound was great. There is also a gaming sound option for lower latency. That's amazing if you play games. And as you can see, this has ANC up to 46 dB and adaptive transparency mode as well. The ANC options are in the app and once activated, it cuts down on a lot of noise. Well, having said that, these are powered by Bose. But so remember, these aren't Bose TWS. Yeah, these have 3 mic with ANC and they perform very good. It has touch controls and they work very fine. The connectivity is also very easy and pretty fast. But yes, Bose is Bose, so you can't undermine these TWS as well because these are powered by Bose. So well, what sounds amiss here? The personalized sound feature, which is part of most of the under 10K earbuds these days. Well, this is something that I wanted here. So tell me, what do you think about it? Well, moving on to the battery life now, which is very important. The buds have 42 mAh battery and the case has 510 mAh, and what you get is 8 hours of playback. Well, I used it the whole day and it lasted almost 6 to 7 hours, which is fairly well. And well, the Moto Buds performance here that you see is good, but just to tell you, these aren't powered by Bose but are value for money earbuds. What they sound like, somewhat like OnePlus Buds 3. These support LHDS, VS and high-res sound too. ANC is good and cuts down on a lot of noise around. So well, overall everything is pretty decent about the buds and the Moto Buds, and yes, these are usual and value for money, not to forget the fun colors that are really impressive. Talking about the Moto Buds Plus, it is, like I said, all is fine, and the best part is indeed the sound quality, which of course is the most important thing in any TWS that you would want to buy. So the perfect sound at a perfect pricing, to say the least. Moto Buds Plus, Moto Buds. Which one did you like? Do let me know in the comments section. For more, throw your questions to me on Gadgets 9.